Hi guys and welcome. If you want to build a landing page or website, this video is definitely for you, because in this video I want to provide you with all information that you need about the platform that will let you make that happen really fast and easy and without an extra efforts. 350 designs already pre-built, and you just need to find the template in 38 categories of business. And this tool, this platform, built really for run a website for business. And you can build online store, you can build any landing page or CV, or it doesn't matter what do you want to build. That can be done on this platform. I want to make this video as short as possible with a maximum value for you. I'm going to show you the editing features of this platform, and in the end of the story you're going to find out that you can build up your landing page by your own hands, or website big, it doesn't matter, because all the editing features are pretty the same. And everything is user-friendly, everything is drag and drop, and I'm going to show you all. Before I've started, I want to say that we left the link in the description panel of this video, and you can easily get access to this platform straight from this video. So use that link, pass this simple registration, and jump in so we can be on the same page, and I'm going to show you everything. Let's go. This is a dashboard. You need to press this green plus on top of the page, and you'll be on the spot where you can choose between the templates. As I told you previously, 38 categories of business, and in this spot, in this space, you need to be as specific as possible to find the correct template, to find the template that will be as close as possible to your type of business. And in the end of this story, you can get customized website really fast. So editor is pretty the same, so I'm gonna choose like literally any type of, let's use this template. And I'm gonna show you that everything is really drag and drop, everything is fast, everything is simple, and really it worth that. And you know, this platform's like new iPhone. You just picking it up and it works, and that's it. And everything is reshaping by itself. You don't need to handle all the things manually. So this is the editor, the site is uploaded, and let's go. Site pages, 4 buttons, just builder, and this is the spot where you're gonna spend most of editing time. Design and adaptive site version. Now all the websites that can be built on this platform are adaptable to any type of device, for tablet and mobile, and you can switch between them to see how your web page will be displayed in different types of devices. So you need to build it once, and it's gonna be great on any platform that you want. In design button, you can find colors, fonts, header and footer. You can switch it on or off, depends on your needs. Advanced features like back to the top button and animations for widgets. This is great option. You need to switch it on. Header and footer fonts can be changed straight from this spot with just one click, and all your pages will be rebuilt with the new fonts. And this is also a great thing that you don't need to handle all this manually. Colors, also the same thing. There are different color schemes and a lot of tools. In a lot of templates, there are pre-made color schemes, but you can create a custom scheme that will be used to your site to customize it really fast. Site pages, we have this is one pager, and we have just home page. You can add some extra pages if you want to build a little bit complicated structure of your website. You have the home page, and then you have services, about a membership on different separate pages. You can build it up. And pop-up windows also can be managed here. You can add a window straight from this spot, or you can add window from a builder, and I'm going to show you how can you do that. When you're hovering over the surface, you see that there are blocks, and everything is built with the blocks actually. And you can move those blocks just grabbing this 6-dot spot, and to move blocks between each other. Then let's discover all the elements. When you're hovering over the surface, you see space, you see text, you see button, and so on. And those are them actually, the basic widgets, the structure widgets, content widgets, online stores available on the e-commerce plan and higher, starting from if you want to build your online store, it can be done here on this platform. Media like video files, SoundCloud and file share, contact form, even MailChimp form. If you have MailChimp account, it can be switched on straight here. Live chat, Jiva chat and social buttons, share buttons, Twitter, Facebook feed and Instagram feed can be added also to your layout. Each block can be changed in two ways, by formatting and by structure. Let's go to structure, and you see that this is the block structure is container, not the fluid. And with padding for widgets, you can switch between those options. You can manage all those. And formatting. In the formatting, you can find the block design. It can be made with a color, with an image, with a map or video, the full screen. Also, we have a picture and we have the color overlay. We can switch between those pictures, and there are themed pictures free to use, and you can customize it really fast. What suits to this? Let it be this, for example, picture and image color overlay. Just changing the opacity, and you see that text is pretty readable and the picture is still there, and you can play around with all that. Alignment, yeah, you can select a couple options of effects that you can add to that. You can get the parallax, and you can get fixed when scrolling. It looks modern, it looks nice. I love this style. So I showed you how to edit the blocks. Right now, let's find out how to manage the blocks, how to add new and delete the old one. Each block can be deleted straight from here. It can be duplicated. You can choose a couple actions, but there's blocks and widgets. Let's use the block. We found that everything is container here probably, so we just drag and drop it into this spot between the blocks. Going back to widgets, and here you go, drag widgets. Just you can drag it. For example, I want to show the video of this fitness gym. Yeah, drop the video and it's on the spot. Now we go into say some words about that, and when you're hovering over the surface with the element, you see that there are blue lines, and those blue lines shows where exactly will be this element put it. So you can drag with this 6 dots spot and move it around to the place where you want it to be. Also, now we have like 2 columns, and we can manually change the size of each column. I want a video to be bigger here, and when you press it on the text, you have all the points, all the things that can be done with the text here in this small menu. So you just need to press a couple buttons and it's gonna work by itself. All right. If you want to add something, just drag and drop it in here. And this is really fast, and this is really efficient way to build everything up. Okay. So I want to add some button, and we're gonna talk about the buttons a little bit, because this is actually the way how you interact with your customers, with your visitors. But before, I want to say a couple words about the structure, this structure elements. Space, you see it's just stuck to the previous block, so we grab in a space, and you see this blue line. This short blue line means that the space will be dropped just on this spot, but we need it to be on the both of columns, so we drop it in here. The same thing here, space can be done here, can be done here and here. We need to the both. That's pretty it. Resize it a little bit and grabbing a space between the button and the text. Pressing on it, you can manually change the size of this spacer. That's it. It's pretty simple and pretty easy and really fast. So you have a lot of tools to add to your layout, and it's gonna be really fast. And everything is customizable by just clicking on it, and all the text, all the things like steps, reviews, pro table, card, timer, even Google search. And I actually showed you everything. Yeah, you can even add Instagram feed to your layout, and you just need to switch it on, and it will show all your pictures, all your photos from Instagram here. And this is insane, really. This is really cool. So if you want to add something, if you want to delete something, it can be done here, and things are automatically reshaping by itself. When you press on the picture, you can replace picture by using the themed pictures that you have here, or using your own pictures that can be uploaded straight from your computer or even from your social media. This is insane. And one more thing, here you can build a website that will bring your Facebook page to website. And this is also cool and really modern option that I haven't seen yet. Only on this platform it's available. Like to take your Facebook feed and to make a website from it. This is great. So let's talk about the buttons and forms, because this is the main issue and the main point of any landing page or website, is to bring new clients. And how you'll bring new clients, you need to switch on all the buttons and you need to switch on all the forms. How to make that happen? With pressing on it. You can change between the designs. You can like all the things with the design, with the style happening with this drop button. But the most important part, and you can change the background color, text, padding, rounded corners, and so on. But the most important thing is link. What's going to happen when somebody will press this button? You have a couple options like anchor. If you have about section in your layout, in your one page, you can anchor this specific block and like it's going to be not sign up, like read more about, yeah, and it's going to be the anchor. The page, web address, phone or emails, like call us now, and you using the phone, and from mobile devices, a human being that is on the other side of this spot will be able to make a phone call, straight phone call. But in most cases, you're gonna use the pop-up. I showed you when you can manage this pop-up. You can create this pop-up from the pages button, or you can create a new pop-up here. You can type all the tags here, and this pencil will let you to manage all this fields, send to, and trigger options. So form, let's go to form. Email and large field. We don't need the large field. We need the name. Choosing it, just moving it with the 3 dots, moving it up. Name, email is pretty enough information to have. To be able to manage this information and run your client through the funnel, through your sales funnel. If you need the phone number, it can be done also, and a lot of options, terms and conditions, yeah, privacy policy, I agree, and so on. But the more fields you add, less chances you have that a human being on the other side will complete the form. So less fields, more clients, and for example, with this little star, you can switch this to optional, and form will be completed just with a name and email, and phone number is not required, is optional. So 2 fields is pretty enough, and if you don't want to call to your client, better switch it off. Okay, that's pretty it. I showed you all the things that you need to know. I hope you understand that this editor is really fast, really efficient, and you can build everything up under 1 hour. You just need to sit in front of your computer and drag and drop all those things. Type in your own text, customize the colors, and put your own content to this, to all this layout, and you're gonna get totally working website designed like a pro, with with all the things that already looks like skyrocket, really. I hope that you get an idea. I hope that now you know that everything is simple, and I hope that you know that you can handle that for sure. Just find the link in the description panel of this video, press on that link, pass the registration, and make sure that everything works for you. Thank you so much. Appreciate. Have a great day. Take care and bye-bye.